Happy Independence Day weekend and good afternoon from Chiefs Mark. My name is Bill. I am the owner of Chiefs Mark, and welcome to the Chiefs Mark video blog that's going to go along with the launch of our brand new business. I'm incredibly excited to have you guys here today as we talk a little bit about what Chiefs Mark is going to be and what we're looking to get out of this blog. So first, what is Chiefs Marks? It's something that's very personal to me and the family. I am a current serving member of the United States Navy, and it's a job that I absolutely love, our family loves, and we've gotten to do so many great things that come with it. But as any military family knows, the lifestyle doesn't come with the very unique challenges. When I joined the Navy 13 years ago, my wife Julie stepped out of her civilian job to essentially join with me and take care of the house while I was gone. But now it's time for her to re-enter the workforce in some way that allows us to still navigate our lifestyle here in the military. We also have 3 beautiful children that we homeschool. Julie is their homeschool instructor for that as well. So we needed something that she could work, that we could also take care of the kids. So we see this as a great way to start a family legacy, a family tradition, for Julie to be able to work, for the kids to be able to participate and get real world experience both in business and in life. And we've been talking about doing this for a long time. We finally decided let's just jump right in feet first, combine the skills that Julie and I had before the Navy, things I've learned since the Navy, and build that true family business that every one of us can partake of it. So where does the Chiefs Mark name come from? Well, a mark is more than just a lamp or a stamp or a logo. It's a symbol of identity, of a quality, or of a legacy. And that chief aspect represents leadership and taking charge of your own path, executing vision with authority, something that Chief Petty Officer in the Navy is very, very good at. So when we put it together, we end up marking something with execution of vision and your own integrity and creating your own path and something that's going to stand out and last. And we wanted to create that brand that helps you make your mark on the world, whether it's through custom apparel, unique gifts, branded gear, laser engraving, things of that nature. And that goes right into what we're planning to do. We are going to be essentially a one-stop shop for branded items, whether it's custom embroidery, putting those logos on your chest, doing hats, doing backpacks, full back embroidery. We can do it all with a great premium professional feel that's all about durability. We're also going to be doing direct-to-film imprinting. Screen printing for years has been the go-to, but you're limited on your colors and it can take time to do. With DTF, it is full color, and we can put it on any piece of fabric that you want. T-shirts, hoodies, bags. It prints out in vibrant, beautiful, full color. It's soft to the touch. It's durable. It doesn't crack. It's a fantastic way of adding that imprint. And then finally, we're going to add in some laser engraving. This is where we work in those hard goods, whether it's tumblers or coffee cups or awards or plaques, you name it, we'll be able to etch it. And things like leather, wood, metal, acrylic, we can do so many different things and it comes out looking fantastic. It's a great way to do some unique customized gifts. But we're not just going to document the business. We're going to document the journey that we go through. This is a brand new business from the start, from the scratch. And we're going to give you the good, the bad, the messy, the ugly, the things that work, the things that didn't work. We'll do some behind the scenes, let you guys see how we work on orders, how we set up the machines, why we pick some things over others. We'll do tutorials like how we actually put DTF onto a shirt. How does DTF work? What goes into getting a graphic ready to digitize it so that we can embroider it, things like that. Then we'll talk the business reality, what works, what doesn't work from a business standpoint, why we chose some supplies over different supplies, what the business really looks like. So we want to thank you guys for checking us out and being a part of us, and we hope you'll keep an eye out for us in the future. If this seems like something that you would like, by all means, please hit that subscribe button, follow along, get those notifications when the new videos come out. The next one should be next week. Our embroidery machine is showing up on Monday, or supposed to show up on Monday the 6th. So we'll definitely document that for you and what we got and why we got it. But by all means, also check out our blog, bookmark our website. And if you're looking for projects or you're looking for some custom things done, by all means, reach out. We'll be happy to take care of you and show you what we can do. And if there's something you want us to see a video on, by all means, drop it in the comments. We'll be happy to do what we can. Talk to you soon.